This is me. That's you. I got information for you. Now, I'm not very good at some things, but some things I piddle with until I can do my best. And it's not always the greatest, but it is the best I know. So, with that said, let's see this. There you see a lawnmower that Mr. Nash has really tried to get right. He's worked hard on it. He's tore it apart. So let's see what happens when Mr. Nash pulls that cord right there. Ready? Let's do it. Well, glory be. How do you know? Mr. Hubie is not all that dumb as it would seem. The sound of lawnmower engines. Feel that. How about that? Ain't you proud of your smiling husband? Hallelujah. Another day of victory. Ain't that just plumb beautiful? I only have one thing left to say.